If Discord is showing error code 2003, that usually means there's a connection or streaming issue on your network, your device, or even on the person you're watching. The good news is, in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best steps to troubleshoot Discord error code 2003, and I'll keep it simple and beginner-friendly. If this guide helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. All right, let's jump into the first step. The first thing to do is switch to a wired connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try using an Ethernet cable instead. A wired connection is usually much more stable than wireless, and that stability can make a big difference when Discord is trying to load or stream data. Wi-Fi can be affected by distance, interference, and weak signal strength, so if error code 2003 is happening during a call or stream, Ethernet is often the fastest fix. If you already are using a wired connection, make sure the cable is fully plugged in on both ends and that it isn't damaged. Sometimes a loose cable or a bad port can create exactly the kind of connection problem that triggers this error. If possible, test a different Ethernet cable or a different port on your router. Next, reboot your network hardware. This means unplugging both your modem and your router, waiting around 30 seconds, and then plugging them back in. This simple reset clears out temporary network glitches and refreshes your connection from the ground up. After plugging everything back in, give your internet a minute or two to fully reconnect before opening Discord again. A lot of people skip this step, but it solves a surprising number of internet-related problems. If your network equipment has been running for a long time, it can get overloaded or start behaving unpredictably. A quick reboot gives it a clean start and can often remove the issue behind Discord error code 2003. Now let's talk about the streamer or the person sharing the video. Ask them to lower the quality of the stream. If they reduce the output resolution or lower the frame rate, it can dramatically cut down the amount of bandwidth needed to keep the stream running smoothly. For example, going from a high-resolution stream to a lower one can make a big difference if your connection is struggling. This is especially useful if the error only happens during a live stream, screen share, or video call. If you're not the one hosting the stream, your connection might be fine for normal browsing, but still not strong enough for high-bandwidth Discord activity. Lowering the quality can be the difference between constant buffering and a smooth experience. Another important fix is to toggle hardware acceleration in Discord. To do this, open User Settings, then go to Appearance, and scroll down until you find Hardware Acceleration. Turn it on if it's off, or off if it's on, and then restart Discord. This setting controls whether Discord uses your computer's graphics hardware to help with performance. Sometimes hardware acceleration helps, but in other cases it can cause glitches, rendering issues, or playback problems. That's why toggling it is a smart troubleshooting step. After you change the setting, fully close Discord and reopen it so the change can take effect properly. If one setting doesn't help, try switching it the other way and test again. Next, close any resource-heavy background applications. Open Task Manager on Windows or your System Monitor on another device, and look for apps that are using a lot of bandwidth or system resources. Things like downloads, game launchers, cloud sync tools, updates, and other video streams can all compete with Discord for network and computer resources. If your internet is already under pressure, even one big download can be enough to cause Discord streaming problems. Close anything you don't need right now, especially anything that's constantly uploading or downloading in the background. After closing those apps, test Discord again and see if the error disappears. If you're still seeing the issue after going through these steps, try combining them. For example, use Ethernet, reboot your router, close background apps, and toggle hardware acceleration. When connection problems happen, there isn't always just one cause, so stacking a few fixes often gives you the best chance of solving it quickly. To recap, the main things you want to try are switching to Ethernet, rebooting your modem and router, asking the streamer to lower the quality, toggling hardware acceleration, and closing bandwidth-heavy background apps. Those steps cover the most common causes of Discord error code 2003 and can usually get things working again without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.